Putting in shares has just filed to launch the 21 shares ONDO Trust ETF with the SEC. This move could make ONDO the first ERC-20-based spot ETF approved by US regulators. Unlike Layer 1 blockchain tokens, ONDO is an application layer asset tied to tokenized US Treasuries and bonds. This ETF targets investors seeking exposure to yield-generating real-world assets through DeFi platforms. The filing reveals that the ETF will track ONDO's price without leverage or derivatives. Its pricing will be benchmarked to the CME-CF ONDO Finance Dollar Reference Rate. Coinbase Custody Trust Company will safeguard the ETF's underlying assets, ensuring institutional-grade security. This ETF structure resembles recent SEC-approved spot Bitcoin ETFs, offering direct one-to-one asset backing. However, ONDO's link to traditional fixed-income instruments makes its narrative unique and attractive to institutions. This could signal a broader institutional gold rush into tokenized real-world assets. RWA. ONDO is not a typical meme coin or general Layer 1 token, but a gateway to tokenized bonds and treasuries. ONDO Finance backs ONDO and issues products like OUSG, a wrapper for US Treasury securities, and USDY, a yield-bearing stablecoin. These instruments offer on-chain exposure to conservative, yield-generating assets. Flux Finance, ONDO's decentralized lending protocol, uses RWA collateral to provide further DeFi opportunities. This innovation bridges decentralized finance and traditional finance, creating fresh institutional demand. ONDO has recently seen a dramatic price surge, climbing over 64% in the last month alone. Its market cap expanded from $2 billion to above $3.5 billion, outpacing broader crypto market movements. This growth reflects increasing confidence in tokenized RWA platforms as legitimate investment vehicles. Institutional investors have already started accumulating ONDO, anticipating the ETF's approval. Market analysts predict this could be the next big institutional darling in crypto ETFs. Marty Party highlighted ONDO as the first ERC-20 spot ETF application, opening doors for non-Layer 1 altcoins. Jeff Cook confirmed smart money accumulation, signaling rising market anticipation. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas noted a surge of altcoin ETF filings, emphasizing ONDO's relevance in this expanding trend. Similar filings for altcoins like Polkadot, XRP, Solana, and SUI show growing ETF interest across crypto subsectors. Regulatory shifts bolster ONDO's prospects, following the SEC's January 2025 approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum ETFs gained momentum soon after, reflecting a more open regulatory stance. ONDO Finance's transparency initiatives, including investor disclosures and real-time asset reporting, strengthen compliance credibility. This transparency may influence the SEC positively during approval considerations. If greenlit, ONDO's ETF would pioneer ERC-20 token ETFs tied directly to tokenized fixed-income products. The move will test how far US regulators will endorse on-chain access to traditional financial markets. Now, let's pivot to why this ETF matters for the future of DeFi and institutional adoption. The approval could radically expand access to low-risk, yield-bearing crypto assets via regulated investment vehicles. Through traditional investment accounts like retirement funds and pension portfolios, institutional inflows could scale rapidly. Moreover, 21 Shares' established track record as a crypto ETP issuer shows their commitment to institutional-grade products. Their existing European crypto ETP suite provides a strong foundation for expanding into the US market. This ETF could cement ONDO's position as a major player fueling the tokenization of real-world assets. Investors should watch ONDO's price and capitalization trends closely for potential breakout opportunities. Remember, each new approval like this signals increasing crypto legitimization by mainstream finance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on this deep expanding trend in tokenized finance. The ONDO ETF filing represents a seismic shift in linking DeFi with traditional financial instruments. This move could trigger a new wave of institutional capital rushing into the evolving crypto asset class. Make sure to comment below, how do you see tokenized assets reshaping the crypto ETF landscape? Keep an eye on SEC filings as they increasingly open to compliant, utility-focused DeFi tokens like ONDO. This development showcases the growing relevance of real-world assets beyond speculative crypto tokens. As the SEC evaluates the 21 Shares ONDO Trust, market excitement builds around the ETF's approval potential. ONDO's design offers a critical bridge connecting DeFi innovation with conventional fixed-income markets. This ETF might unlock significant liquidity, utility, and legitimacy for ERC-20 real-world asset tokens. Whether near-term approval happens or not, this filing confirms institutional recognition of tokenized RWAs. The era of on-chain yield from tokenized bonds and treasuries is arriving fast. Investors should approach ONDO with a balanced view, combining technical innovation and regulatory foresight. ETFs like this could become essential tools for portfolio diversification in crypto investing. The ONDO ETF success could inspire similar regulated products for other application layer tokens beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. As real-world asset tokenization matures, expect regulatory frameworks to evolve, making such products commonplace. Watch live market data on ONDO's price surge for actionable insights on emerging decentralized finance trends. This is a pivotal moment to monitor the intersection of DeFi, tokenization, ETF innovation, and institutional capital flows. A new frontier in crypto ETFs is here, driven by ONDO and 21 Shares' pioneering integration. Stay engaged with the latest updates to capture opportunities in this transformative sector, shaping the future of finance.